Homeowners, are you waiting for the perfect time to buy your replacement property? Because here's the truth. The perfect time isn't in the future. The perfect time to buy is right now. Hi, I'm Tanja Odzak, eXp Realty. I love helping people. I'm a senior level realtor and help people sell and buy homes right here in the East Bay. So what's going on in the housing market that makes finding a replacement property much easier than a couple years ago? Let's break it down. First off, it's the current market opportunities. As we start the new year, inventory is moving and more options are becoming available. By acting now and beginning a property search, you will avoid the potential of limited choices later in the spring when the market gets busier. If you're thinking that you don't have the resources to make the move, remember, as a seller, you have lots of benefits of home ownership to tap into and leverage. One is the equity you built over the years or sales proceeds when you sell. According to real estate site CoreLogic, persistent home price growth has continued to fuel home equity gains for existing homeowners who now average about $315,000 nationally in equity. Maybe you're an empty nester looking to downsize, or your family is growing and you need a bigger space. You can use that leverage to buy your replacement property that is better suited to your current lifestyle. Don't let hesitation cost you the perfect opportunity. Let the current market conditions plus your equity move you into the ideal replacement property. And remember, you always want an experienced agent like myself by your side. So call me today and let's talk about it. I'm a seasoned East Bay expert with the 5-star rating. I'll help you navigate the market and make it happen, whether it's selling or buying or both. And if you or someone you know needs to sell a home, ask me about my home selling plans. I took the pain out of negotiating with a realtor and made it super simple. Really, choose silver, gold, or platinum. Pick your plan and pick your price. Terms apply. I'm Tanya and I sell homes. Let's get you going. Call me today.